have learned cross multiplication method previously. We found the values of x and y. Let us take two equations. To find out the value of x and y for these two equations, the solution of x and y for these two equations using cross multiplication method. X by sum of the value in this coefficients of first equation and the second equation, y by, and sum of the values we take from first and second equations and the constant by the values. So first x divided by the values of y coefficients in the first equation, second equation. Y coefficients are 3, minus 2. The coefficients of y in both the equations are 3 and minus 2, and the constant values are the coefficients of y here 3 and minus 2 for both the equations, and the constant values are 17, 16. When we write in standard form, it becomes minus 17 and minus 6. Y divided by x coefficients are 2 and 3. The coefficients of x are in both the equations 2 and 3, and the constants are minus 17, minus 6, and again if we take the x coefficients 2 and 3 and y coefficients are 3 and minus 2, let us recall it. X divided by the coefficients of y are 3 and minus 2, constants are, when we transpose this, minus 17, transpose this, minus 6, so minus 17, minus 6, and the coefficients of x are 2 and 3 and constants are 17, minus 6, coefficients of x 2, 3 and y are 3 and minus 2. Y coefficients and constant values, x coefficients and constant values, x coefficients and y coefficients we have taken here in short method. So if we do cross multiplication of it and subtract them, cross multiplication and subtract them, cross multiplication and subtract them, we'll get some value and we'll simplify through that. So x divided by, when we cross multiply this both, 3 into minus 6, minus 17 into minus 2. After multiplication, cross multiplication, 3 into minus 6, minus 17 into minus 2. Let us subtract both. That is equals to y divided by 2 into minus 6, minus 17 into 3. Let us subtract this both. The constant values, 2 into minus 2, minus 3 into 3. X divided by, let us simplify this part. 3 6 are 18, minus 18, minus 17 2s are 34, minus into minus plus 34, it becomes, there is a minus, write the minus, minus into minus plus 17 2s are 34, there is one more minus here, write this same as it is, equals to y by 2 into minus 6 minus 12, there is a minus, 17 into 3, that is 51, let us write that, minus 51, because minus into plus is minus. There is a minus here and outside there is a minus here. So 2 minus values we got here, that is equals to 1 by plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, minus 4, minus 3 into 3 is 9. After this simplification, x by, let us add these two numbers, we'll get 52, that is minus 52. Minus minus is plus, so that we got minus 52. Minus 34 minus 18 is minus 52 is equals to y by minus 12. Minus into minus is plus, plus 51 is equals to 1 by minus 4 minus 9. We add them, we got minus 13. After simplification, we got here x by minus 52 is equals to y by minus 12 plus 51 is equals to 1 by minus 13. X by minus 52, that is equals to y by minus 12 plus 51, that is minus 39, is equals to 1 by minus 13. So after simplification of this part, we take this first value and make it to constant, and we take the second term and make it equal to constant number. First we take the x value, x by minus 52, that is equals to a constant number 1 by minus 13. We take the y value, y by minus 39 is equals to 1 by minus 13. Then after simplification of this, we get x into minus 13 is equals to 1 into minus 52. Let us simplify this part. Minus 13x is equals to minus 52. If we cancel minus on both the sides, we get 13x is equals to 52 and x is equals to 4 after simplification. When we take y value here and do cross multiplication of it, y into minus 13, that is equals to 1 into minus 39, minus 13y is equals to minus 39. If we cancel minus on both the sides, we get 13y is equals to 39, and after simplification y is equals to 3. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 3 after solving the two equations using the cross multiplication method.